We're going to find the missing measure in each diagram below, and we're going to use the formulas provided above. In our first example, we'll be using this formula that relates arcs on the outside of the circle to a central angle in the middle. In this case, our big arc is the 62-degree arc, and our small arc is the 54-degree arc. Our central angle is missing. We'll call that A. Our formula says that A will equal 1/2 the big arc plus the small arc. So we'll begin by writing that formula. Next, we'll substitute in our values. The big arc is 62 degrees and the small arc is 54 degrees. Last, we'll calculate. 1/2 of 62 and 54 makes 116, and half of 116 is 58 degrees. Our final answer then is 58 degrees. In our second example, we'll use the formula that relates two different chords and the segments formed by them intersecting in the circle. We'll label our 9A and our 8B, and then we'll do the same. 6 will represent C, and D will represent X. Here we go. Our formula is A times B is equal to C times D. So A times B will be 9 times 8, and C times D will be 6 times X. 9 times 8 is 72, and 6 times X is 6X. We'll divide both sides by 6, and we'll get that X is equal to 12. In our third example, we'll use the formula that relates two secant lines and the arcs that are formed when the secant lines intersect outside of the circle. In this case, our big arc is a 155-degree arc, and our small arc is an 85-degree arc. And we're missing the angle formed here at the intersection. We'll call that A. Our formula is that A is equal to 1/2 the big arc minus the small arc. We'll go ahead and substitute in our values now. A will equal 1/2 our big arc, 155, minus our small arc of 85. Therefore, A will equal 1/2 of 155 minus 85 is 70 degrees. And half of 70 degrees is 35 degrees. 35 is our final answer. Our final example will utilize our final formula, finding the lengths of segments formed by two intersecting secant lines. We'll call 7A and 11B, and we'll call 6C and XD. Now our formula is that A times A plus B will equal C times C plus D. We'll substitute our values in now. 7 times 7 plus 11 will equal 6 times 6 plus X. Okay, we'll go ahead and solve algebraically. 7 times 7 plus 11 is 18, is equal to, we'll distribute on the right side. 6 times 6 is 36, and 6 times X is 6X. 7 times 18 equals 126, and that's equal to 36 plus 6X. We'll subtract 36 now from both sides, and we get that 90 is equal to 6X. We'll divide both sides by 6, and we get that X is equal to 15. This is our final answer. Okay, students, I hope this video helps you in your work with these formulas. Thanks for watching.